Hello viewers, welcome to Shiksha. Today we brought some interesting MCQs related to Indian Air Force. So let's start. Question 1. Who was the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force of Free India? Option A. Air Chief Marshal S.P. Merwan. Option B. Marshal of the Indian Air Force Arjan Singh. Option C. Air Marshal Subroto Mukherjee. And option D. Air Marshal Sir Thomas Walker Elmhirst. And the correct answer is option D. Air Marshal Sir Thomas Walker Elmhirst. Question 2. Who was the first Indian Air Chief of the Indian Air Force? Option A. Air Chief Marshal Pratap Chandra Lal. Option B. Air Marshal Subroto Mukherjee. Option C. Marshal of the Indian Air Force Arjan Singh. And option D. Air Chief Marshal Om Prakash Mehra. And the correct answer is option B. Air Marshal Subroto Mukherjee. Question 3. Who was the current CAS of the Indian Air Force? Option A. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Option B. Air Chief Marshal Birendra Singh Dhanwa. Option C. Air Chief Marshal Arup Raha. And option D. Air Chief Marshal Pradeep Vasant Nayak. And the correct answer is option A. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Question 4. What was Surya Kiran in relation to Indian Air Force? Option A. Aircraft formation. Option B. An aerobatics demonstration team. Option C. Name of a medal. And option D. A fighter aircraft. And the correct answer is option B. An aerobatics demonstration team. Question 5. When was Surya Kiran formed by the Indian Air Force? Option A. 1993. Option B. 1995. Option C. 1998. And option D. 1996. And the correct answer is option D. 1996. Question 6. Which Indian Air Force chief reviewed Bangladesh Air Force passing out parade for the first time? Option A. Air Chief Marshal Norman Anil Kumar Browne. Option B. Air Chief Marshal Birendra Singh Dhanwa. Option C. Air Chief Marshal Arup Raha. And option D. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. And the correct answer is option D. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Question 7. Who was CAS of IAF during 1971 war? Option A. Air Chief Marshal Om Prakash Mehra. Option B. Air Chief Marshal Idris Hassan Latif. Option C. Air Chief Marshal Pratap Chandra Lal. And option D. Air Chief Marshal Norman Anil Kumar Browne. And the correct answer is option C. Air Chief Marshal Pratap Chandra Lal. Question 8. On which day is Indian Air Force Day celebrated? Option A. August 8. Option B. March 8. Option C. October 8. And option D. None of these. And the correct answer is option C. October 8. Question 9. Which was the first indigenously developed aircraft by India to come into service of IAF? Option A. Hull AMCA. Option B. HF-24 Marut. Option C. Hull Tejas. And option D. None of these. And the correct answer is option B. HF-24 Marut. Question 10. Who was the first and the only 5-star rank officer of IAF? Option A. K.M. Karyappa. Option B, Arjun Singh. Option C, Sam Manekshaw. And option D, Subroto Mukherjee. And the correct answer is option B, Arjun Singh. Question 11. Who was the first and only Paramveer Chakra recipient of Indian Air Force? Option A, Nirmal Jeet Singh Shekhon. Option B, Arjun Khetrapal. Option C, Somnath Sharma. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Nirmal Jeet Singh Shekhon. Question 12. Where is the headquarters of IAF? Option A, Kolkata. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, New Delhi. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Question 13. What is the name of the first indigenous fighter jet plane made in India? Option A, Hull Tejas. Option B, HF-24 Marut. Option C, Hull Ajit. And option D, AMCA. And the correct answer is option A, Hull Tejas. Question 14. Who is the first woman Air Marshal of Indian Air Force? Option A, Harita Kaur Deol. Option B, Punita Arora. Option C, Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. Question 15. Who is the first female fighter pilot of the Indian Air Force? Option A, Punita Arora. Option B, Annie Divya. Option C, Avani Chaturvedi. And option D, Bhavna Kant. And the correct answer is option C, Avani Chaturvedi. Question 16. Who was the Chief of the Air Staff of IAF during Kargil War? Option A, Shashindra Pal Tyagi. Option B, Anil Kumar Browne. Option C, Anil Yashwant Tipnis. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, Anil Yashwant Tipnis. Question 17. Operation Maitri was the relief operation in which country by IAF in the aftermath of 2015? Option A, Bhutan. Option B, Sri Lanka. Option C, Nepal. And option D, Bangladesh. And the correct answer is option C, Nepal. Question 18. What is the name of the IAF operation in Kargil conflict of 1999? Option A, Operation Blue Star. Option B, Operation Safed Sagar. Option C, Operation Udan. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Operation Safed Sagar. Question 19. What is the name of the special force of IAF? Option A, Garud Combat Force. Option B, Great Combat Force. Option C, Great Commando Force. And option D, Garud Commando Force. And the correct answer is option D, Garud Commando Force. Question 20. What is the full form of MMRCA? Option A, the Medium Multi-Role Coding Aircraft. Option B, the Medium Multi-Refusal Combat Aircraft. Option C, the Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. And option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, the Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. Question 21. IAF purchased Rafale fighter aircraft from which country? Option A, Russia. Option B, France. Option C, USA. and option D, England. And the correct answer is option B, France. Question 22. The Air Force Academy is situated in option A, New Delhi, option B, Bengaluru, option C, Hyderabad, and option D, Kanpur. And the correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Question 23. What is the full form of LCA? Option A, Light Care Aircraft, option B, Light Combat Airplane, option C, Light Combat Aircraft, and option D, Light Combat Aircraft. And the correct answer is option C, Light Combat Aircraft. Question 24. First Indian to reach the rank of Wing Commander. Option A, Subrata Mukherjee, option B, Karun Krishna Majumdar, option C, Arjun Singh, and option D, Pratap Chandra Lal. And the correct answer is option B, Karun Krishna Majumdar. Question 25. Where is Aero India Air Show and Aviation Exhibition held? Option A, Bengaluru, option B, Hyderabad, option C, Chennai, and option D, Mumbai. And the correct answer is option A, Bengaluru. Question 26. What is the full form of HAL? Option A, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, option B, Hind Air Limited, option C, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and option D, Hindustan Aeroplane Limited. And the correct answer is option C, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Question 27. What was the rank of Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon? Option A, Flight Lieutenant, option B, Flying Officer, option C, Squadron Leader, and option D, Pilot Officer. And the correct answer is option B, Flying Officer. Question 28. Which fighter aircraft Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon flew during his last mission? Option A, North American F-86 Sabre, option B, Folland Nant, option C, Hull Marut, and option D, F-16. And the correct answer is option B, Folland Nant. Question 29. What was the prior name of Indian Air Force? Option A, Hawaii Air Force, option B, Royal Indian Air Force, option C, Sky Air Force, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, Royal Indian Air Force. Question 30. What is the full form of DFC? Option A, Distinguished Flying Crest, option B, Distinguished Flying Cross, option C, Dignified Flying Cross, and option D, Distinguished Fighter Crest. And the correct answer is option B, Distinguished Flying Cross. Question 31. What is the full form of AMCA? Option A, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, option B, Advanced Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, option C, Advanced Medium Compact Aircraft, and option D, Advanced Multi-Role Compact Aircraft. And the correct answer is option A, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. So these are the some interesting MCQs related to Indian Air Force. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like the video, please share with your friends. To stay tuned, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.